So this is the upgrade coolant pipes. So when I went to the dealer today, he says they didn't make this one anymore because it's weak. You gotta get the upgrade one, which is this one. It's not gonna look the same, so don't be confused. When you buy this one, they're gonna tell you that you have to buy that one too, because this one is attached to that one right here, and instead of the old one, which is this one too, because it's weak also. So this will be the upgrade for that one, as you see. And that one, the upgrade of this one. So the part number for this, the new one, is that one. And for this one, this will be the upgrade one. So this one, this part number, I will attach the part number below in a comment. One more thing I wanna to mention and help you with, I bought these studs for the intake gasket, because when you're trying to put this supercharged back, this one will escape from you. So this is a better idea. You can get this studs from Home Depot, or I have it on here somewhere, so be easier for you to install the intake gasket. You're gonna put this in, the other side the same. It'd be easier for you when you put the supercharger, won't be escape from you. I just bought the oil cooler gasket. It's done. I bought the new coolant pipe. Everything is back. Any seal you see, just replaced it. You don't want to move all this again. Replace this seal. Put everything back. This is a seal too. Put everything back, and that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe for the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just comment below.